Hello and welcome back to this channel. I hope you all are well. So in this video, I will share with you job openings. It's a cruise ship job. It's a recent job openings. So guys, if you are interested to apply for this job, please keep watching this video till the end. And if you have already experience in cruise ship and if you want to move again, also you can watch on this video and you can apply again. And also the fresher can be applied. The fresher candidates should be matching with their profile. If it's matching your profile, you can apply as soon as possible, and it's 100% free job, no service charges. If you will be selected, the company will be process all the things for you, and you can move with a job, and you can get a good experience in cruise ship. So let's move and let's know what is the job openings from cruise ship. So first of all, I would like to say thanks for your support. Many of comments, many of messages coming that please share the cruise ship job. So today is coming. So the all candidates interested to get a job in cruise ship, carefully watching this video and apply as soon as possible. So as you can see here, multiple vacancies in European cruise line now hiring for US and European cruise lines. As you can see here, the many vacancies: chef, broadcast manager, lighting technician, video technician, second person admin, crew producer, laundry master, head cleaner, kitchen. Many types of vacancies, and which job is suitable for you according to your profile. You can apply as soon as possible. Don't be late. Go through the proper process, and of course, you will get a free jobs without any money and without any wasting of time. The minimum charges for the visa they will guide you, but you can get a genuine employment. So guys, requirements. If you are interested to apply, please focus on the requirements. Group safe expense and valid C1D visa is advantageous. 5-star hotel or equivalent experience. Experience, training, education, and certifications as per the requirements of the each position. Able to speak, read, and write English. And the age should be at least 21 years of age. And if apply, as you can see here, the official email ID provided by the company. You can apply as soon as possible by dropping your CV and all documents to the given official email ID. So as you can see here, please note that we may not be able to reply to all comments and messages. For your security and privacy, please avoid posting your mobile and email public comments. We request that you send us a private message or mention your resume ID instead. Airborne provides free recruitments and placements. We do not work with any job agents. So very clear, it's not any agent or consultancy related jobs. It's direct company will be hire you, and the job will in the cruise ship. So next, again, hiring for US and European cruise ships, and this is the another ships, and the position is Quartermasters, ABOS, plumbers, HVAC engineers, assistant electrician, security guard. So guys, if you are interested to apply any of these positions, you can apply. So before that, you should have to focus on the requirements. The basic requirements to apply for this job is valid US 70 size, cruise ship experience requirement, plumber carpenter ship experience required. That means in if you want to apply for any of these positions, you should have the relevant experience is mandatory. Then only you can apply. But the above jobs you can the fresher also can be applied. So if you're interested to apply, you can apply by dropping your CV with all documents like experience details, educational details, all details. You have to drop an email in this official email ID. So guys, my sincere request, these all information also available in the descriptions below this video. Please collect these informations from the descriptions and read it again carefully. And if you are really eligible for any of these positions, you can apply through the proper way, and you have to drop your CV and all documents to the given official email ID. Then your CV will be shortlisted. Then you can attend the interview. After you getting success from the interview, they will guide you how to process for the visa and how to move. So first of all, you need to make your CV and cover letter properly with all documents attached and send an email. Once you getting success from the interview, they will guide you. So up to that interview success is your responsibility. You have to send your documents properly, you have to attend the call, you have to attend the interview, and you have to crack the interview. After you getting success from the interview, they will do all the things regarding visa process. Then you can get a free job in cruise ship. So this is all about the recent job openings from cruise ship. Don't be late, apply as soon as possible. If you have the relevant experience, you can apply as soon as possible. And experience also requirements. If you are experienced holder, don't be late, apply as soon as possible. So I hope this information will be helpful for your careers. And many of guys already get job in cruise ship. I already collect the feedbacks. They are ex- explaining all the things in the cruise ship job very nice and very comfortable and high salary with a career grow platform. So don't be late, apply as soon as possible. I hope this information will be helpful for your careers. So share these information to your friends and relatives who want to get a abroad job with a cruise ship. So lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video to the end. Share this information as soon as possible, as much as possible to your friends. So for today, that's all, and I will try to give you information regarding job openings in the next video. To that, stay with this channel. Bye bye.